Welcome to Bear. Today we're going to show you the steps on how you can apply for a Bear project. Once you have logged into the IT service desk and clicked on Make a Request, you'll be faced with the following options. Go ahead and click on the research icon. Now navigate your mouse cursor to the Request a New Bear Castles project icon here. Carefully review the information displayed here. The first line asks if you are filling this form in on behalf of a principal investigator, co-PI or supervisor. This can only be done if you are already set up to do so on our admin database. The desired project code is actually the network drive name, which is prefixed with the owner's username. An example of the project can be called Best Endeavor. Next, a brief description of the project. This is actually the PhD thesis or the project abstract that gives sufficient information about the project. The next item is the primary funding source of the project. This is not about how we charge you, as all peer projects are free at the point of request, but to understand how projects are funded or not. If the project has a work tribe number, then select work tribe and add in the work tribe number. However, if you have other funding sources, click on Other and then add in your funder. This can be either a funder or you can actually put in school funded. The next item is you have to add in the list of all the users who will be able to access this project, and this is only the people who will be able to access this project. Add either their usernames or email addresses, but don't forget to add in yours. Next, select whether if this project requires Cyber Essentials. Again, review the link at the top of the form if you require it. For this example, we will select No. The next item, does your project relate to life sciences? If so, press yes, otherwise select no. In this case, we'll select no. For each project, it's best to have a data storage required. So if you select data storage, it will then ask you whether the data is actually sensitive data, personal data, which is information that relates to an identifiable or identified individual. Please again refer to the information above to make your decision. In respect to how much storage you would like, select 1 terabyte as it's listed here, or you can increase it at a later stage. Bluebear is our supercomputer. If you would like access or would like to utilize GPUs, then select both. GitLab is our software versioning tool. If you'd like to use it, select this. Finally, in the last box, put down anything else, such as defining who your data managers are or who your PI delegates are. Review the information you have above and then click on the submit sign. If you'd like further help, please contact us at the following email address or any of the ways here listed below. Thank you.